You are going to love 2012 Avalanche. This vehicle is powered by a 4-wheel drive, 8-cylinder, 5.3-liter engine and comes with an automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: running boards, traction control, stability control, front suspension type, double wishbones, front suspension type, strut, daytime running lights. Inside you'll find backup camera, audio headphone jacks, rear, audio rear, volume control, cruise control, child safety locks, power windows, tachometer, airbags, passenger, occupant sensing deactivation, power steering, one-touch windows, too. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.